Hi, this is Tenorshare AI. Are you afraid of your essay being flagged by AI detectors? Then you're in the right place because in today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to make AI text undetectable. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. To write undetectable AI content, I use a tool called Tenorshare AI Bypass. You can find the link in the description. Then, how to use it. First, I'll generate a 500-word article on what is AI technology using ChatGPT. Once the AI content is ready, copy it and open Tenorshare AI Bypass. On the homepage, scroll down to find the Try Bypass AI for free option. Click it to access the dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, you'll notice 3 modes: fast, balanced, and ultra enhanced. I'm going to choose the ultra enhanced mode. Next, paste the copied text into the input box. You'll see 2 buttons down here: Check for AI and Humanize. Let's try Check for AI first. It will evaluate how detectable your content is by various AI detectors. In this case, the results show that only 50% of the content appears human-written, meaning it doesn't pass most AI detection tests. Now let's click on Humanize. After processing, Tenorshare AI Bypass will transform your text into a fully humanized version that passes all AI detection checks. See how easy that was? Go ahead and try it for yourself. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips. See you next time.